Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna unbox this and review this JACO FlowPro digital tire inflator gauge. Alright, let's get into it. This is the front of the box. And this is the information in the back. So it has a bright LCD display and a 1/4 quick connect fitting included, and a built-air bleeder valve, 18-inch stainless steel braided air hose. It has an advanced lock-on air chuck. It's called the Lightning JACO Lightning lock-on air chucks. Lifetime warranty. If something wrong with it, just take it back. And it comes with a seal tape, thread seal tape. Alright, let's open the box. And this is your air inflator right here. Let's go inside the box more. And this is your 1/4 for your air compressor, and this is your threads. Okay, and also with come with the sticker, JACO, nice sticker. And we have some warranty guide. So it's lifetime warranty, awesome. And this is your manual or the guide. So this is your lightning connect. So it's patented by JACO, so only by JACO. So it said it won't leak. This is leak proof, and that's awesome. Just press it, and that's it. You just grab it. That's it. And it never leaks. All right. And there's another. And you get a discount. If you want a discount, just go. This is your product code right here. You get 10% off. All right. Let's go to the product, shall we? So the box is empty. All right. Build quality wise, it's a very high quality. It's a JACO in here, so this is original. And this is your digital tire gauge, and you have your 8-inch stainless steel braided line. And this is your JACO patented lightning air chuck. You just press it. This is your valve right here. Just press it down, and when you're done, just click it and just pull, and that's it. All right, so let's turn it on. Let's just pull the tab. So it said here 8 psi. You can different units. Yes, kPa bar, and this kilos per foot or something, and psi. This is what I use on psi. So every time I to inflate my tires on my cars, I use 35 psi all time. This is my daily psi on all my cars, because it's not too soft and not too hard, just right in the middle. And by the way, guys, it says it's like a covering for your digital, so it's very sturdy. It's rubber. And this is your batteries right here in the back. It takes AAA batteries. This right here. It's a AAA. And this is your bleeder valve, so you can just like decrease air from your tire. Okay. Quality wise, it's awesome. I like it. And let's go to the cars, and we can I can just demonstrate to you how the JACO tire pressure gauge works. I'm using also my Tacton digital gauge to make sure this digital gauge is accurate. Alright guys, Alright guys, let's do this demonstration. So we have here a 1995 Honda Civic hatchback. So we're gonna try this tire gauge, a JACO tire gauge inflator. So we have our Tecton right here. The Tecton, so we're on 0. Let's put it on the valve. So it reads on 19.1 psi. And let's try out the JACO. So you can use the JACO digital gauge. So you can use the JACO digital gauge, just the gauge only. It's just easy. Just put it in the valve. Just press. So I have 85.5. So I just like 1 psi off, or maybe my Tecton is not accurate. So see, we're gonna fill up with air. I'm gonna put it on 35, so it's 0.81, and so 19. About there. I'm gonna press, put some more air. Just press it. I'm not even holding it.
Wow,
just press.
This is very nice.
Wow, this is nice tire gauge. I'm impressed. So right now in 30 psi. Put more. Right now we're in 35.5. Let's go 36. If you put too much air, you can press the bleeder valve to release. 36. Let's go to 35. 35.5. That's good. And to release the valve, just press the button right here, and that's it. Easy peasy. All right, let's check our tire gauge. This one, I think this is off by 1. So 35.8. Okay, not bad. It's very accurate. That's good. All right, guys. If you like the product, by the way, guys, this video is not sponsored by JACO. I'm not sponsored by JACO. The product itself, the product, I like it, man. It's very easy to use and very accurate, and it's very high construction. Alright guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.